Okay, so let's take a look at the average rate of change. We're given a formula for the average rate of change of f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. So here's a quick word problem interpreting the slope as the average rate of change. In 2020, John spent $205 on subscriptions. And then in 2024, he cut back to only $97. We want to assume a linear relationship and then figure out what the average rate of change is, graph it, and then finally interpret it. So let's go ahead and figure out what we need to do here. First things first, let's figure out what f of b and then f of a and then also b minus a is. So f of b, we'll go ahead and say f of b is going to be equal to our 205. So f of b is equal to 205. That means that b is equal to 2020. And then f of a is going to be equal to 97, which means that a is going to be equal to 2024. So plugging that into our equation, we are left with $205 minus $97, and then we're going to go ahead and divide this by, we're going to go ahead and divide this by 2020, and then minus 2024. This will get us 205 minus 97, which is equal to 108. And then we will go ahead and divide that by 2020 minus 2024, which is going to be equal to a -4. So approximately we will have 205, which might be right there. And then we go all the way down to 97. So 97 is approximately right there. So this is what our graph looks like. So what can we say? We can say that we decrease on average by 108 divided by -4, which would be $27. So we decrease by $27 each year in our subscription fees.